How do you cope with stress?
I cope with stress by being with nature. I like to read, talking to my friends, listening to music. For nature, immediately I come to Hope Gardens, surrounded by the beautiful trees, the birds making noise, and just walking around, relieving that type of stress, taking deep breaths, these exhaling and stuff like that. I like to read self-awareness books, books that teaches me where I can learn something from to grow myself and my mind and how I deal with people because my job is stressful, so I need that to alleviate that type of stress when dealing with people.
I'm a gamer, so I tend to game a lot. Playing FIFA, Call of Duty sometimes, sometimes on my phone. Sometimes I watch some reels, IG, YouTube. It's good to have some comedic relief in your life, so laugh a little. Yeah, that's pretty much how I handle my stress.
To be honest, I listen to music, play video game, sometimes I drink. But drinking is not the right way, I learned that since lately, so the stress will still be there. So sometimes you have to just speak to a good friend who you can trust, talk about it, relax, pray, yeah, and listen to music. Music is life.
Stress can drive you insane. you know, Once it get to you mentally, it will take advantage of you. So I try to put everything in God's hand and handle it the best way I can, step by step, slowly but surely. I try to focus on what's most important and avoid letting it get the best of me.
With me now, I always listen to music. If it is not country music, reggae music, pop, soul, anything that I am a music girl, so I always listen to music and those stuff. So that is how I cope with stress.